Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a taste test Saturday. Toast Saturday. I'm going to be tasting two treats. I'll be tasting these Tic Tac mixer peach and lemonade. This was very interesting and then something my dog's going crazy. And then the next one I have is the Club Orange biscuit. And I'm going to be trying these. I've tried the mint one of these. I've never tried these. Apparently if you suck them they're peach, you bite into them they're lemonade and that's my dog go crazy. So let's go. By the way, the lighting that's the sun at the back is just like really bad for my lighting. My light wasn't in the back. Oh, go crazy, look at it. The first ones I have are these Tic Tac mixes and it's in lemonade. I was going to get the cherry and cola, but I'm not going to try my fruit sweet, so these are a nice orange color. Apparently when you stuff them in the peach, but when you bite into them, it's lemonade. And I got these in the bar for 65p. That's what it is. Definitely tastes like food. Now I don't have any first degree, but I know what he does to me. No need to work it out, it's so familiar. So I think I like them. No need to question. I already know. It's in his DNA. I don't need to do this. 9.5 minutes. I just find it really nice, but I think we can have instructions what to do. Just like but I had to go to something on the internet which is like the instructions for that picture. Now let's go on to the next one. So, the next one I have is this McVitie's Club Orange. I've tried the mint one, but I didn't think the orange one would be that nice. So my dog is on the sure. Really? So this is what it looks like, and I have had the mint one. Just a random video I decided to do. Here's my dog. He was going crazy, wasn't he? It's the last episode, by the way, because he got cut. Please subscribe and like this video, and comment down below more videos to do. Let me do a video all tricks about doing all tricks with him. I'll do it. Bye.